Okay, so some people are having discussions on whether or not birds are reptiles, and it's alarming, so I brought pictures. All right, so in the world of science, when we look at the taxonomic relationships or evolutionary relationships of organisms, we build these things called phylogenies, and that helps us understand the relationships of the different organisms. Okay, now for something to get assigned a taxonomic unit, right? Remember our organization of hierarchy: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. King Philip came over for great sex. To get assigned one of those, it has to follow a strict set of rules. It has to be what we call monophyletic. Monophyletic. And monophyletic means that we're looking at descendants, all of the descendants that come from a common ancestor, and we include that common ancestor. But for it to be monophyletic, we have to include all of the descendants. If we look over here at this phylogeny over here, if we include some of the descendants, but not all of them, that's what we call paraphyletic. It's paraphyletic. Some of the descendants, but not all of them, yet we still include the ancestor. Okay? Now remember, in order for it to get assigned the unit, has to be monophyletic. If it's paraphyletic, breaks the rules, can't be assigned one of those taxonomic units. Okay? Now, so we have A, B, and C included, but we do not have D over here included, so it's paraphyletic. If we were to include A, B, C, and D, plus the most common ancestor down here, that would be monophyletic. Okay, so remember, in order for it to get assigned a taxonomic unit, has to be monophyletic. It cannot be paraphyletic. Now, imagine this. Imagine A is a lizard, B is a snake, C is an alligator, and D is a bird. That's actually pretty close to what the evolutionary relationships of reptiles, the class Reptilia, looks like. So, lizard, snake, alligator, bird. Now, if I don't include birds in my grouping, it's paraphyletic because I included some of them, lizard, snake, alligator, but I did not include all of them. So because of that, it is paraphyletic and it breaks the rules. We can't break the rules of phylogeny, and we can't break the rules of taxonomy. Now, because of that, birds are out here. We have to include them in order for reptilia to be lizard, snake, alligator, bird. For that to be monophyletic, we have to include all of them. Hope that helps. Birds are reptiles.